This JMP demonstration shows how to make a mosaic plot. We are using the car poll data from JMP sample data folder. A mosaic plot's a type of stacked bar graph that displays the relationship between categorical variables. To create one, go to Graph, Graph Builder. Place a categorical variable on the y-axis and another categorical variable on the x-axis, and then select the mosaic plot icon in the palette at the top of the window. In this example, we'll display labels directly on the plot by selecting Label by % in the mosaic plot properties at the bottom left. Here, the width of each bar represents the relative proportion of different car types in the data, with family having the highest proportion. The height of each of the 3 levels of car size represents the proportion of each size within each car type. We can see that nearly half of family cars are of medium size. Additional variables can be added by placing them on the x-axis either within or outside the variable that's already there, or by placing them in the Group X, Group Y, or Wrap drop zones. Here we'll use Group X to create side-by-side mosaic plots for each individual level of marital status.